Vocabulary list. Prepare 8. Unit 12. Animals. Adverbs of probability. Ant. An ant is carrying a piece of bread. Bat. A bat flew out of the cave. Bee. A bee landed on the flower. Butterfly. The butterfly has beautiful wings. Deer. A deer ran across the field. Donkey. The donkey carried heavy bags. Eagle. The eagle soared high in the sky. Fly. A fly is buzzing around the kitchen. Fox. The fox ran into the forest. Frog. The frog jumped into the pond. Mosquito. A mosquito bit my arm. Shark. A shark swam near the boat. Wolf. The wolf howled at night. Worm. A worm lives in the soil and helps keep it healthy. Definitely. She will definitely come to the party. Definitely not. He will definitely not walk to school in this rain. Perhaps. Perhaps we can go to the zoo tomorrow. Probably. They will probably see many animals on their trip. Can you make your own sentence using this word? Share it below. Don't forget to subscribe if this lesson helped you.